So as a videographer who has been running a video production company for the last 10 years, I have made a ton of different mistakes that have affected how quickly I grow in my business. And as a creative, it's affected my client retention and it's affected my business. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 of those mistakes that hopefully you can learn from me and not recreate on your own. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video because some of these mistakes are going to be a little controversial. So the first mistake that I want to share with you guys is not investing into learning marketing sooner. And the reason why I say this is because as videographers, we're always a lot more focused on just creating pretty videos. We spend a lot of time researching how to edit better, what gear to buy that will make our videos look better, and overall just learning a lot of creative techniques in order to create better videos. And there's nothing wrong with that. But one of the things that I've noticed over my time of working with clients is that learning how to make good videos is really only a small portion of the overall spectrum of creating content for businesses. And you have to think that at the end of the day, businesses are hiring you because they want to create marketing content and they want to use your videos to market their products or their services, their events, and so on. Understanding marketing and understanding all the things that go into the video that helps the client achieve that goal, that's a whole different skill set. And to me personally, I believe that nowadays, as videographers, if we're only focusing on creating a good video, but we're not focusing on, let's say, for example, the niche that it's supposed to go to, the platforms that it's supposed to be delivered on, how exactly they're distributing the video in order to achieve that goal, it's really just going to hold us back. And if a client were to hire a videographer who creates really, really good work and edits really, really good videos, but none of their videos are actually converting or getting new clients or getting new sales for that business, then in reality, even if the videographer is really good, the videos aren't actually that valuable because it's not actually delivering on the result that they want, which is making more money. Versus if there is a videographer that is pretty average and doesn't really make super good looking videos, but they understand the marketing and they understand the message that needs to be there and the structure that needs to be in the videos in order to achieve that goal, but the videos don't look as good, then the clients are actually going to prioritize hiring that person over the person that creates really good videos.
Whether you are a beginner videographer or a more advanced one, I'm sure all of you guys have gone through the experience of feeling like a disposable videographer to your clients, not having a portfolio that's strong enough to qualify you for higher paying jobs. Clients always choosing the cheaper option over you. That is because 99% of videographers are too busy sitting there staring at their phone, hoping and praying that somebody calls to give them a gig today. And as a result, you're struggling to make a living as a full-time creative. I went through the exact same struggles. I was stuck in a cheap client cycle where I was working on a bunch of low-paying projects and just nobody really seeing the value in my work. And it was my dream to be able to get out of that cycle and start working on projects that were creatively fulfilling to me. That is why I created the Commercial Videographer Blueprint. It is the exact same framework that I use to land my dream clients, grow my video production business, and work on more creatively fulfilling projects. This exact same framework is what I use to be able to land one of my dream projects where I was able to film a documentary that had Tony Hawk in it. In this course, you are going to learn how to create a portfolio that attracts your dream clients, learn how to get their attention, and then learn how to get them to see the value in your work and learn how to get them to think that it is completely insane for them to work with anybody else. And you can get all of this today for $147. And to be completely transparent with you guys, this is my very first course. So this is going to be the beta launch of this course. What that means for you is you are going to get access to this content for a much cheaper price than I plan on selling it in the future. And you will have the opportunity to leave feedback on how I can actually improve the course. And as I'm taking all that feedback and creating a better version of this course, early supporters will be getting access to that new content for free, while new people will have to pay the updated price. And don't worry, if you guys think that the course is trash and you didn't get any sort of benefit out of it, then I also offer a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're ready to stop struggling as a videographer and you're ready to take control of your business and finally get clients to see the value in your work, then click on the link in the description below to learn more. Now back to the video.
So if I had an opportunity to talk to my younger self and basically share with him what I know now, I would basically just tell that little Scott, like, hey, instead of investing these thousands of dollars into this new camera or this new lens or whatever, why don't you take even a smaller portion of that money and invest into what your clients actually want, which is marketing and getting better results and understanding how to communicate those things through the video that you're creating. And if you can master that in your videos, it's going to generate a much higher return than, say, buying a new camera. If you were to spend thousands of dollars on a new camera and your videos look a lot better, but the skills of actually delivering the client's results through the videos doesn't improve, then in reality, you're basically just stuck at the very same skill level that you were originally at, but your videos look a lot better.